Whip up this fantastic honey layer cake with a creamy filling. For the cake, combine melted butter, sugar, a generous spoonful of honey, and eggs. Then, slowly add flour until you have a smooth batter. For the cream, mix together sour cream, heavy cream, and sugar, or powdered sugar. Start whisking slowly, then gradually increase the speed until you achieve stiff peaks. Remember, all ingredients should be cold for the best results. Optional toppings include fresh berries. This cake features soft, honey-flavored layers perfectly paired with a rich, creamy filling, making it a delightful treat for any occasion. Check the description for full details.